Ew, look at all this dust and shit floating around in here. Look. It looks like it's snowing in here, bro. We gotta pack all of that. Let me get through there. That's my dude over here. He's packing and wrapping. All right, we got footage. We have mad footage of everything we have to pack. Two men in the truck work. We're going back to the back room. And we shall pack all of this too.
What is this?
Right, what is this? Ceramics, nigga. I'm a ceramic. Bro, it looks like a bunch of bricks. It's my dude over here, texting his boo, doing his boo thing. Yo, Porters. He don't even want to show his face.
Okay, now.
Man, I can't believe we gotta pack all this shit, though.